something. I really like you. I don't want you. Do you want me? Do you want me to?
What's up, you guys? It's Fem. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope you guys have an amazing 2018. You deserve it. You are a great human being. Today I'm filming my freaking favorite video of the year. Honestly, I have a freaking countdown app on my phone that says when I can finally upload this video. I actually don't, but I would totally do that, you know? It's DIY room decor for the new year, as you can see by the title. You probably have read the title, right? If you've never seen my face before, then this is my face, and I upload videos here every week, and I'd love you to stick around because that way you don't miss out on my videos. Also, make sure to click the notification bell. I know I tried Vlogmas. I failed pretty hard. I vlogged for like 2 weeks and then I just, you know, kind of like didn't really vlog anymore. Just really sad, but it's okay. We'll try next year. Anyways, give this video a huge thumbs up, and without further ado, let's just get started. The first DIY is honestly barely a DIY. All you need is a plate and a bunch of colorful Sharpies. I actually painted the sides of my plate pink. As you can see, my plate is from IKEA. And I'm just drawing like a bunch of dots. And when you're done, you can just like put like your jewelry on it, like rings, little coins, stuff like that. And it's so much cuter than just like a than just like a plain plate. Yeah.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright.
For this next DIY, we're gonna be making like an inspirational like clipboard. So all you need is a clipboard and a magazine of whatever you like. So I chose makeup because I'm obsessed with makeup, as most of you guys know. So I'm just like tearing out pages or cutting like cute pictures out, and I'm making a collage on my clipboard. My original idea was to make like 4 different clipboards and hang them like above each other, but I only had 1 clipboard and I honestly was too lazy to go to the store. So yeah, we're just gonna do it with 1. But 4 on your wall would look super cute. So all that's left to do is put it on your wall and get inspired when you look at it.
All I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody to you. All I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah, is somebody to you.
For this next DIY, definitely my favorite one, by the way, you need 3 little Hexagon pin boards, double-sided tape, and whatever colored paper you want. So right now I'm just measuring where on the pinboard I want to place my paper, and I decided to like make half of the pinboard like pink, as you can see. So I'm just cutting around the paper and putting double-sided tape all over the pinboard. And yeah, I'm just placing my paper over it, obviously, and smoothing it out.
Like it or not.
Then when you flip your pinboard, you obviously have like the back still, and I'm just doing this really ugly because like no one's gonna see that ever, well, except for everyone that's watching this video, but people in my room won't see that the back is really ugly, you know? So this is the first one, and then I grabbed a book with a bunch of like colored papers and patterns on the papers, obviously, and I wanted to make this design, but I didn't like exactly know how to make it with the right dimensions. So here you can see me trying to get some kind of mathematics solution to what the exact middle of the hexagon is, which there probably is some kind of formula for, I think, but like I didn't know that. So it literally took me half an hour to figure out the center of the hexagon, which is really sad. But hey, there's always light at the end of the tunnel, and I found the exact center of the hexagon. And I made this shape, and I'm not gonna explain what this shape is supposed to look like. It's just like, no, I said I wasn't gonna explain. You see what the shape on the hexagon is, right? So yeah, and the colors I use are really like pastel. I love it, and I'm obviously gonna paste them on with double-sided tape and making the back like really ugly again, but no one's gonna see that, so we don't really care about that, you know, like it turned out cute. And then I'm just gonna hang it on my wall with more double-sided tape, but like stronger one, obviously. And I'm obsessed. This is my favorite DIY I've ever done, like ever.
Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance.
next, if you want your room to feel really personal, then you can do this DIY. I honestly really love this because I didn't have like any pictures in my room. So I just cut out a bunch of pictures in like a Polaroid shape. Well, I actually ordered them online, not gonna lie, but you can totally just cut them out like a Polaroid shape. And with more double-sided tape, I have a problem with double-sided tape, I'm now realizing. But anyways, you are gonna paste them on your wall if you're allowed to. I probably am not, but I did it anyways. And then I'm taking some bright colorful washi tape and kind of like making it look like I pasted on the wall with a washi tape, but I didn't because like my washi tape is not strong enough. But it looks really cute and personal and bright. So for the last DIY, you're gonna make a calendar because it's the new year and we need calendars, but we don't have money, so we're gonna make it ourselves. Basically on Pinterest, you just want to look for calendars, printable calendars for 2018, print them out and make like 2 holes at the top of your calendar. Obviously in every single paper you have to do it. That is so obvious, why am I explaining that? And then just taking like a piece of string. It can be colorful like I wish I had done, but I didn't. And just put it through, make a knot. And then you can write all your plans on there and highlight it and do all that like fun stationery stuff.
I'll take it in but don't look down, 'cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Been waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh? Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child.
So those were all the DIYs that I made in this video. 5 DIYs. I normally do like way less, and this video is also pretty long for like my videos because I always make them super short. Just really stupid. I just don't know why actually. If you do recreate any of these DIYs, definitely make sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter. I'd love to see them. Also make sure to let me know which of the DIYs was your favorite. Mine is definitely like the paintboard one that you can see right there. It just adds so much to my room. I walk into my room and I look at the paintboards and I like cry because they make me really happy. Like, do you see the color? I look weird. Why do I am weird? That's why I look weird, because I am weird. Also, can we talk about my shirt for a second? Riverdale people, where are you? As I said before, totally subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. That would make me really happy because we are getting closer to 10K. It's still like really far away, but it's kind of like there, you know, I can kind of like smell it. No, I can see it over the horizon. I can see the 10K over the horizon, but it's still really far away though. And yeah, that is everything for today. Again, Happy New Year. I really hope this year brings you guys a lot of love, success, and happiness, because I think those are the most important things. And yeah, with that all said, I love you so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!